Welcome back, everyone. And this is our second day of week 2. Today we'll be looking at this packet here, our DCPS learning packet. This is week 2, day 2. So please grab your packet and a pencil. All right, everyone. This is our daily schedule. So today is April the 7th, and we're going to be working on week 2, day 2 in our packet. All right, people know that anybody that knows me knows that I love to play games and math, and I especially like to use these things that we call die. One is called a die, two are called dice. But these die we're going to use to help generate a number. Here's my first number. My first number is a 4, so that's what's going into my hundreds place. Let's roll the next number. The next number I rolled is a 2. This is the number that's going into my 10. Let's roll my third and final number, the number that's going into my ones place. And the number going into my ones place is the number 1. Now I'm going to write the number and that I rolled into standard form. So I had 2 hundredths, 2 tens, I had 4 hundredths, 2 tens, and 1 1. That number is 421. Now I'm going to write that number using words only. All right, let's see how I would write this in words. 421. Now let's write it in expanded form. Remember, I'm writing it as an addition sentence, and I'm going to look at each place value and tell you the value of the digits in that place. So if I had to write it in expanded form, the 4 is 400, because if I have 4 in the hundreds place, I count by hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400. Then I had 2 tens. I would take my 2 tens and put them and count by tens to find their value. 10, 20. Last, I would have my ones. I only have 1 1, so that means I have 1. The answer is 400 plus 20 plus 1 equals 421. Now, let's move on to the next slide. Okay, take out your DCPS learning packet and turn to page 6. At the top of page 6, you will see this problem. Read each number name, then write it in expanded form. The first one has been done for you. So we're going to do the next one, which is problem A, together. The problem says 438. First, I would write it in its standard form. 438. Now, I've written the number 438 in its standard form. Next, I would take each digit and write its value. Let's start with the hundreds place. There are 4 in the hundreds place. Since there are 4 in the hundreds place, I know that I can count by hundreds. 400 in the hundreds place equals the value of 400. Now let's move to the tens place. There's a 3. A 3 in the tens place represents 30. Now let's move to the ones place. An 8 in the ones represents 8 ones. So 438 equals 400 plus 30 plus 8. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Same time, same place.